happy to let the shot clock tick down. Brownlee pulls up and gets the F1 on top of the triple. Justin Brownlee comes up clutch. Ice cold. Swish from Justin Brownlee. The hand in his face.
But the Philippines are here to play.
Newsom and Brownlee. Brownlee pulls up for a triple. Oh my goodness! Everything is going the Philippines' way! He got the effort on the defensive end, able to translate it into some good offense. Just like that, it's back within 3, although Soto has something to say about that.
Because he's the only other 2-meter plus guy really on the floor, and if he can get in, give minutes, his experience will really help this team.
Brownlee with the one-handed. Newsom now. PBA champion, finals MVP and All-Star. Fajardo, a great catch and a great finish.
And he's always got answers, but can you execute?
Fajardo getting to work on Chavas. Brownlee from the top, nails it! Zonix driving, it just falls out of his hands, and Ramos has only got Brownlee ahead of him. He uses it perfectly, and Brownlee with the slam to finish it all off. A nice response from the Philippines, good active hands in the defense, and Ramos dishes it. What could Brownlee do with ball in hand? His team leading by 11. Fajardo, a great move on Chavas. And it's Brownlee up against Kurucs in this duel. Backing down on Rodions, and Brownlee gets the win and the foul.
Coach Benke doesn't want it to go to the baseline in that situation.
Brownlee now. Can he keep up his good form? 15 points, 5 boards. Justin Brownlee still with ball in hand. Ramos for 3. Oh my word! They're on the floor. Let's check out a replay here. So Ramos with the 3.
Fajardo is just holding the keyway. Smith has got to back himself. Did that time and made it.
Ramos.
Oh,
nice shot. Soto thought about another triple. Brownlee's with right with him, and Soto gets back-to-back buckets. So halfway through the third period, it's still Philippines with the commanding lead, 67 to 48, 69 to 48 now. And Junmar Fajardo, he's playing a fantastic game. Uses Fajardo again. They've been working brilliantly together, these two. And Brownlee flies in. Brownlee gets it back. Kicks it to Ramos. He's starting to make some shots. And he makes the tough triple. Justin Brownlee has been immense for this Philippines team. 20 points for him in this ball game. Steps back on Timar. That's better from Brownlee.
huge possession.
2 minutes left. Lomash can't get through. Bang. Get that out of here.